Hello, hello, queens. Welcome back to Khadijahs.Korner. Today I'm doing a hair review. This hair review will be on the Luxury Hair Dealer, as you guys can see. And I'm so glad that this came finally in the box. Did not get beat up, y'all. It's nice and yes. So let's get started. This box right here. On the back it says, follow them, tag them, all that good stuff. So let's get into this box. I got a 8.5 inch curly wig, you guys. It looked really nice on the website, so hopefully it looks right on me. This is something different. I like curly hair, but I got it really short, so something different. So this is the bag. This is everything that's in the box. So let's open it up, guys. It's like opening a Christmas present or like opening presents on your birthday. So they gave me a wig cap. They gave me 2 wig caps, y'all. Can't go wrong with that. And they gave me a coupon, a 10% off coupon on here, right here. And here's the wig, guys. Okay, on the website it says 8.5 inch. On here it says 8 inch. I don't think it really matters, still 8 inches. But see how they packaged it. Got a little net over it. This off, guys. I never had a lace frontal, you guys. I don't even know. Like, I did my research and stuff on it, but I never actually had one. But this is the wig. It feels soft. Yeah. This is the inside. Got 2 combs. I don't know if you guys can see. But got 2 combs, well 3 combs, and the little straps right here, which is good. I don't know if I have to bleach this. Maybe it might match my skin. I don't know. It looks a little dark, but this is the wig. Looks like okay. This lace goes. Okay, so it goes back to like right. It goes back pretty far, like a natural part. But y'all, this hair is really soft. Really soft. Feels like it don't feel like no I don't know, like got a little shedding in there. But we all know you're not supposed to comb through hair, curly hair at that dry. It's shedding. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's on shedding. Just a little bit. But the hair, it don't stink. It smells like, I guess processed hair. It smells fresh, but it smells like something was done to it, but it don't stink. But this lace, you guys, it looks like they plucked the lace for me. You guys can see. It looks like they pre-plucked it. That's good, because I never did nothing with the lace, you guys. I don't know anything about plucking no lace. I might have effed it up for real, I ain't gonna lie. But they pre-plucked it, which is good, you guys. Decent length, y'all. This is my wig hair. This is my girl, I don't know her name yet. This is my girl, Mariah. This look like a good length for real. Really good. This is the wig on my head. Y'all, this feels so good. I didn't put the combs in yet. I don't know if I will, but this feels so comfortable on my head. Like, it's so lightweight. Like, this look like my real hair. I know I look crazy right now, but you know we gotta style it and stuff. But y'all, look at this. I don't think I'm gonna have to pluck. Y'all tell me or not, cause I don't know nothing about no lace. But this looks like, this really looks good. Like, this look like my forehead with a lace on top. Like, this looks really good, y'all. Luxury hair dealer, I'll give y'all's props for that. Cause your girl don't know about lace. But I like this length so much. Like, it looks very natural. It really don't feel like no wig is on my head, y'all. It feels like this is growing out my scalp. Like, oh my god. So I'm about to wet this. I just wet this hair. Well, actually, I ended up washing it. It smelled funny. Like, it don't smell funny no more. But I can't really explain the smell. Like, I don't know. Like, it don't smell like corn chips or nothing. Like, it just smelled funny. But I washed it. I washed this hair. Y'all, I really love this hair for real. I haven't had this hair on for 10 minutes yet. But this hair, Jesus, take the wheel. Jesus, take the wheel. I don't think I'm a, like, cause I like how this hairline looks. I don't think I'm gonna pluck the hairline, cause it don't really need to be plucked. And I'm not trying to this up, but I think I'm gonna do a middle part, and I'm gonna pluck the middle part so it looks natural. But y'all, look, I'm using this comb, and look how you comb through it. Like, y'all, what? Luxury hair dealer, what is y'all doing? Like, this is really some good hair. Really, it is. I can't wait till this like blow dry. I mean, like air dry out. Sorry. Let me see. So the part, it don't really go back. Like on the side part, I like the side. I'm gonna try the middle part too and see if I like that. But the side part don't really go back that far. But I plucked it a little bit. You guys can see. And I slick my sides down. Yes. I don't think I want to mess with the edges. Because I like how, see, I'm going to fix that. But I just like how thick it looks, thick and natural. So, I don't know. I'm going to try the middle part and see if I like it. I plucked the middle part a little bit. It don't really need to be plucked for real. The hair is almost dry. It's like starting to get fluffy. And I sprayed it with olive oil. Has coconut oil in it, and y'all, it smells really good. Like, this hair really smells good now, for real. Parts. So this is what it looks like. Middle part. This is the middle part. I plucked it a little bit, and then I gelled this down. I think I like the middle part a little bit better. I'm gonna try and switch it out a little bit, cause the side part, I think this is meant to be a middle part, because the side part, it don't really go back as far, but the middle part, it goes back like all the way. So I think I'm gonna work with the middle parts, you guys. Yes, my edge is looking thick, as you know what. I wet the hair a little bit again. This hair, I love this hair, y'all. And now it smells so good. So the moment you guys been waiting for, I'm going to cut this lace to fit my head. I'm going to cut this lace, you know, get it right and tight, and then I'm going to use my got to be glue and glue this baby down. Round 10. You know. Okay, so I cut the lace, you guys, and we're gonna glue this down. For real, I really don't need to, but I'm just gonna glue it down. See what it feel like. So, what is back? Pull your edges back. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm not putting this all the way down because there's no reason for all of that, so. Take your scarf and just on here for a little bit. So we're gonna let that sit for a little bit. Okay, so yes, so I love this hair. Thank you, luxury hair dealer, because you guys are popping. That's all I gotta say. You guys are popping. This is my first lace closure, and I think I'm going to be continuing to get lace closures, full lace closures. So, my thoughts so far, besides the smell, I think this is some really good hair. Like, I'm definitely gonna have to get some curl tamer or something like that. I don't know what it's called, but something. So my curls can be a little tame, cause y'all, when you wash this hair, it definitely dries pretty quick. Also, the lace, yes, the lace is really like they pre-plucked the lace. It looks like they bleached it already or did whatever they had to do, but I really didn't have to do anything but cut the lace off and pluck my middle part a little bit. My side part, I wish it was a little bit farther back. That's the only thing, because I do like to switch it up. So I'm gonna see, you know, what that looks like. I kind of like the middle part better, and you know, it's got body. It's very lightweight. I didn't put the combs in because that's kind of irritating to me, and I didn't want to snatch my wig off, you know, to fix that or nothing. But So far, I like this hair. I really do. It sheds just a little bit, you guys. And this cost me $150 for a full lace wig. I think that's pretty decent, actually. And also, you have the option to do like payments, like 3 payments or something like that, if you don't feel like paying full out, or you don't got the coins right away. So I think that's another good thing. So they have a lot of good full lace wigs on their site. I'm definitely going to check those out. But so far, luxury hair dealer, you guys are doing your thing. In this 8-inch wig, I was so scared. Like, I thought that it would be shorter than this because I never had 8 inches curly hair before. So this is really nice, very full, lightweight, everything. I love it. So you guys, I'm going to leave the website below. Merch on today. I'll leave that down in the description box. And I have my own website called Khadijahs.Korner, and it has 2-piece sets, dresses, cardigans, jackets, coats, bottoms, anything, skirts, all that type of stuff at an affordable price. You guys should definitely check out my website. I'm doing a 10% off sale right now off of everything on my site, and also shipping on everything is under $3. So what's better than that? Check my website out, Khadijahs.Korner.com. See you guys.
Perfect.